Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm joined by Juliet and we're away.
We are. We've sneaked away for the weekend.
We have. We've been putting this on Twitter as well and everybody's been wondering where we've been. So all will be revealed in a minute. So as Juliet said, we've sneaked away.
Yes, a couple of weeks ago we had a call from Phil's aunt and uncle, said they found a beautiful site and why don't we just come up, because it wasn't too far, and have a look. And it is a beautiful site.
It is. It's about 10 minutes drive from St Anne's on Sea, which is Lytham. And it is a lovely little site.
Yes, it was a former CL, wasn't it? Award-winning CL.
An award-winning CL, yes. And now it has 14 pitches. And out of the 14 pitches, they're all fully serviced apart from one. And it's a really peaceful, quiet place, isn't it?
Run by a lovely couple, Dave and Jean, and they're really nice, aren't they? Very helpful to everybody.
Anyway, shall we show everybody what it's all about then?
We should, yeah.
Okay, have a look at this. Laithes Lodge Caravan and Motorhome Park is located off the M55 at Junction 4. It is 10 minutes drive from St Anne's on Sea. It has 14 pitches, 13 are fully serviced and one is electrical and water only. The pitches are laid to gravel and have enough room for your caravan, awning and your car. There are 2 shower rooms, which include a loo and sink, and also there are 2 separate toilet rooms, which also include sinks. They're kept very clean and the showers are hot. There are 2 Elson points, one close to the entrance and one in the lower pitch area. St Anne's on Sea is an unspoiled seaside town if you've never been before, and close to Lytham. It has a vast dog walking beach, so your dogs can get some exercise. Lytham is known for its yearly music festivals and also the now famous 1940s festival. Not forgetting Blackpool with its many attractions. Coming soon, there is the Blackpool Showtown, a £3 million complex dedicated to a comedy museum which is due to open in 2023. Further up the coast and soon to be given the red light is Eden Project North. Now the best pitch that we found at Laithes Lodge is this one, close to the duck pond. The ducks are a little shy, but once in a while they do come out. So that was our little look around Laithes Lodges. It's a lovely site, isn't it?
It is. It really is nice. It's very peaceful. You do get a bit of road noise, don't you?
Yeah, during the day you get the odd bit of road noise. There's a B road just at the front of the actual site, but other than that it's pretty quiet, isn't it?
It is, and I said we've got the pitch next to the pond, which is beautiful at night. It's all lit up. So the facilities, there's plenty of facilities, and the access shower room is great. It's really easy to use. So you've got limited mobility. It's great here as well.
Yeah, yeah. There's quite good wheelchair access as well, isn't there?
It is. It's not bad.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, going back to what we were saying about the site, it's very well maintained. Jean and Dave look after it themselves, and it's a proper family-run site. You can bring your kids, but personally,
there's nothing for them to do.
There's not much for them to do, so perhaps it's a borderline adults-only site, I would say, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But it's like Dave and Jean said. They didn't want to make it an adults-only site because some of the more seasoned caravanners like to bring the grandchildren, don't they, sometimes?
Yeah, if you want to, just like I said, it's very near to Blackpool, which we went into this morning. So you can nip into Blackpool, or I said it's St Anne's, and Lytham's very near.
Speaking of Lytham, they have the Lytham Music Festival, and also they have the 1940s festivals every year. Now these draw massive crowds, and this is in an ideal location for it as well. It's about 5 minutes drive from the actual area where they do them. Now I know from speaking to Dave, they're booked up for this season, but if you were interested in the festivals at Lytham, then this is the ideal place to come and stay, isn't it? But remember, if you do, book early. Who said that once? Was it Billy Butlin? Book early. Oh well. Anyway, bit of nostalgia. So yeah, going back to what we were saying with the site, it is very well maintained by Dave. In fact, he was cutting the grass a minute ago, and I thought, just as about we were about to video, but never mind, them things happen. Well, we're going to leave a link below to this actual site, so if you're interested, and also we're going to attach the prices within the video, because for 2022 they are very reasonable for fully serviced pitches, aren't they? So we'll leave all that information somewhere in the video. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.